Today, we're creating a bold, fast moving, crazy flipping opener using one of CapCut's energetic intro effects. This effect instantly makes your footage flip wildly with glowing flashes, perfect for hyped intros or dramatic transitions. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap it to select. Now, head down to the Effects button in the bottom toolbar. Next, choose Video Effects. Remember, in CapCut Mobile, effects are applied directly onto the clip. From the categories, open the Intro and Outros tab. Scroll until you find an effect called Golden Bigbang and tap to apply it. Right away, you'll see your video flip rapidly with bright golden streaks and dramatic transitions, giving your edit a high energy opener feel. To fine tune the look, tap the effect again. You'll see sliders that help refine the motion. Speed controls how fast the flipping animation plays. Drag right for a fast, snappy opener, or drag left for a slower, dramatic motion. Blur adds motion blur to exaggerate the flips. Increase this for softer, more energetic movement. Atmosphere adjust the visual brightness and dramatic glow surrounding the animation. You can also stretch or shorten the effect on the timeline to decide how long the opener appears. And that's it. You've just created a crazy flipping opener in CapCut Mobile using Golden Bigbang. Perfect for high energy intros and transitions. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips in CapCut Mobile.